In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Nissan Rogue key fob. All you'll need is one CR2032 battery and a regular flathead screwdriver. If you want to get one of these batteries online, go ahead and check out that first link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for just a few bucks. Now, the first step here is just to look on the bottom of your device. You can see that opening right there. Take your flathead screwdriver, insert it in there. Make sure that it is not too large or too small. You want something that's about the size of that area. And you'll just push it down and twist. And you do need to twist with quite a bit of force. And then once you have it open like this, it can still be stuck. So you can either try to pull it apart with your fingers, or you can come in the opening with the same flathead and just kind of work your way down until it is nice and loose. From here, just use the same tool to get under the battery coming in from this big empty space there. Just get under the battery and gently lift it up. When you are putting your new CR2032 battery into place, make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down, and you will just push it into place. First, kind of pushing it down towards this metal component and then snapping in the top. Just make sure that it sits flush in there, nice and flat. First time I did it, it was kind of sticking up. So you just want to make sure that it is all the way in there before putting it back together. So all you need to do is line this up and squeeze. And again, it does take quite a bit of pressure. You got to go around and make sure it is all the way snapped back together. And just like that, you are finished. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to drop us a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come check us out here on YouTube or at our website, FobBattery.com.